Hey everyone, it's Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay. Are you ready to learn, create, and have fun? Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you a couple Father's Day activities that you can create and make for your dads and give to them on Father's Day, dads, grandfathers, uncles, whoever is a father figure in your life, as well as a little snack that you guys can make for your dads and have a snack for them as a little gift. And also I will be sharing with you a little song for dad, and in a separate video I will be reading this story, I Love My Daddy Because, and you can grab your dad and listen to the story with him while you're giving him your gifts on Father's Day. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you some of the printouts that we have for today, and some of those include a tie and a bow tie. For this craft, you will need this printout as well as a piece of paper. And what I did with that paper is I cut it at the top, not all the way across, but just cut a slit. So this and this are going to go together. You could get bingo daubers, you could get paint sticks, you can get markers or crayons, however you want to decorate these things for the shirt. This would be this craft right here. So I will show you guys how to make the shirt craft. Another activity or craft that we can make for our dads is a little toolbox, okay, and it has little tools in it. So for this craft, you're going to need a red piece of paper, a little handle you can make, and then the printout for the tools, okay? And again, you can color them however you want. You can print them on colored paper, whatever you'd like to do for that. So that's that craft. Another activity or craft that I have are little cards that are superheroes, okay? And you will find there are eyes, the Spider-Man eyes, and this is just a handprint. And then you can make it a card inside. Same thing with the Ninja Turtle one, and this is just a craft stick. You can use ribbon, you can use any kind of thing. And inside you can write something for dad, okay? So I'll show you guys how to do those as well. The other things that you guys will find in your packets there are all about dad. And you can fill these out and just really, you know, identify his favorite color, his favorite food, your best memory, thank him for something, draw a picture, and then why do you love dad? I love dad because, just kind of like what our story is going to be like in another video. So this is there. I also made one for I love grandpa, if you do one for grandpa, and a blank one, like I said, for any father figure that is in your life and for who you celebrate Father's Day with. So the first craft, I'm going to show you more details of the tie, the shirt and tie. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the tie, I'm going to cut it out, okay, and I am just going to use some daubers here, okay. You could use crayons, you could use markers. Now these are kid daubers, okay. The bingo daubers at the dollar store or at the stores, they come out very fast. So then it gets a lot more ink everywhere. If you use these daubers, they come out a little bit slower because of the nozzle on them. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to just, well, I'm just going to daub and make our tie dotted. Okay? You can make your tie striped. You could make it different colors. I'm going to take a blue and then a green here. I'm going to take a little bit of green. I'm going to add green to this tie. And I'll show you guys. Now we have some green in there as well. And just however fun you want to make it. So this could be more intricate for an older child, and this could be, you know, even less involved for a younger kiddo. So then you're going to take that and you're going to cut it out. And what we're going to do then is we are going to take our shirt, okay? And like I said, it's just a piece of paper, and mine's cardstock, so it's a little more sturdy. And I just cut a slit at the top. After I did that, I am then going to take that and I'm going to kind of fold it over like a collar, okay? And I cut my slit a little too much, but that's okay. You could just kind of bend it where you need it to go. All right, and then here as well, I'm just going to bend it and match up those 2 points to kind of make that collar. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Your dad will like it, I promise. So you make your shirt like that, and then you just kind of glue your tie underneath, okay? So you would glue the tie, or you could add the bow tie right there. So then there's your shirt. You could write a note underneath. You could write here. You could draw a picture for Dad, whatever you want to do. But this would be the shirt activity that you may want to create for Dad. The next one I showed you guys was the toolbox, okay? And the first thing you would do is you would color these tools, and then you would cut them out, okay? You would then take a piece of red paper, or whatever color paper you want for your toolbox. I just happen to use red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the bottom up pretty high up there and just have enough to kind of close the lid, okay? So it's not quite in half, but it's a little bit more than 3/4 of the way up there. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to fold it in half like that. And I'm going to crease it a little bit so it's a little bit sharper. And then I am going to fold this lid over it. And I'm going to fold it a little neater here. And then that way the lid is there for the toolbox as well. And you could do a little more, you could do a little less, whatever it may be. And then you can take your handle and you could put your handle at the top. Then that way whenever you open it, you could glue the tools right here and you could have a fun saying for Dad in your toolbox. So that's another activity that you guys can do for Dad. Make him a toolbox. The final activity is going to be the superhero hands, okay? And with those, I have my kiddos' hands here. I don't know if you can see them, but I traced their hands, and all I did, actually what I would do is I would fold the paper in half, and I would actually have their hand up here, okay? So then that way it can be a card. So if you guys can see here, what I did is the handprint would be, I'll close it so you don't see, so you don't get confused with the handprints that are there. So what you would do, where the fold is, that's where you would have their hand down, and then you would cut or trace their hand and cut it out, and then you would have a little card. For the Spider-Man, all I did was make lines on it, so it looks like the Spider-Man web, and then I glue the eyes. You will also find the eyes in your kits there, okay? So those are the Spider-Man eyes. The other thing would be the Ninja Turtle, okay? And with the Ninja Turtle, you could, again, put your hand down, put it on the fold, then that way they could open it up and make a card. And all I did was I made a smile on this one, and I gave him the headband and some Google eyes. You could draw the eyes on. His eyes are a little goofy. You could draw his eyes on. You could use a ribbon. You could just color a headband on. So the possibilities really are endless. You guys can do a lot of things with this. The other thing that I have, so I also have that All About Me for Dad. You guys can fill that out for Dad. So lots of great things for Dad. And the final thing is making kind of a snack mix for Dad. And maybe you want to do this with Dad as an activity, or maybe you want to make this on your own. So you can get things like popcorn, peanuts, almonds, cashews, chocolate, cranberries, M&Ms, okay, Reese's, anything like that. And you're going to kind of make your own trail mix for Dad. So think of the things that Dad really enjoys eating and then add extra of those in and make it really super special for him. So I hope this really gave you guys some great ideas, and I hope you guys are able to create some awesome Father's Day activities and crafts for your dad. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks so much. Hey, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the EduPlay activity of the day. If you did, please like our page and subscribe below. Head over to the Momspiration 412 Worldwide Facebook group for more EduPlay activities and to join the Momspiration 412 community. And remember, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun.